Why do 70% of travelers overpack their suitcases? The answer lies in math, or rather, the lack of it. Let's dive into how math can save your packing game. First up, volume. Think of your suitcase as a 3D puzzle. By calculating its volume, you'll know exactly how much stuff you can cram in there without bursting the seams. Next, surface area. Ever tried wrapping your suitcase in plastic wrap? Surface area tells you how much wrap you need so you don't mummify your bag like a science experiment gone wrong. And what about geometry? Different shapes need different packing strategies. A rectangular suitcase is a breeze, but what if your bag is more creative in shape? Geometry helps you pack efficiently, no matter the form. Without math, you might end up overpacking, exceeding weight limits, or struggling to close your suitcase. So next time you're packing for that dream vacation, remember, math isn't just for the classroom. It's your secret weapon for stress-free travel. Happy packing!